Here we are in Durand, Michigan. First train of the day, and it's going to be Amtrak. That noise you hear in the background are these guys right here, working on the roof of the train station. I just wish I could get on the other side of the track, check out the other side of the train. If I do that, I'll be trespassing on railroad property. We don't want that, so. And people almost get all out almost. Just a few more people and then the train will be taking off. We got right across the board up there. And the train taking off shortly though. There it goes. Off to Chicago. The hometown of WWE superstar CM Punk. Yeah, this Amtrak train starts in Durand, Michigan, and ends in Chicago, Illinois. So if you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, please hit that subscribe button. Make a comment if you like. We're watching this from. Hope you have a good day and you be safe out there. Until next time, I get a train video.